Welcome to Brotuned, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to shoot 200 yards with Eley Team out of my Tikka T1X. And I'm going to try with a brake and without a brake. I just want to see the difference in the harmonics of this rifle system with a brake and without a brake. See if it makes a difference or not. Kind of like a weighted tuner, but non-adjustable. Unless, I guess you could adjust it if you stack shims and stuff like that. But let's just see how it does. So what I'll do is, let's get it on target on the center. Then we'll do a couple high round count groups just to kind of get an idea of what's going on. We have next to no wind and the weather is pretty good. Winds are about 5 to 7 kilometers an hour, so like 3 to 5 max miles an hour. And we're about -3, -4. So it's pretty reasonable weather to be shooting in. So without further ado, let's get to shooting. Got our chronograph running. We're normally around 7.1 or so, and I changed up the bolt knob because I was planning on wearing gloves, but I think it's warm enough. I don't need gloves today. With gloves, I'd rather use the Atlas Works bolt knob with the knurling. It's a little more aggressive. So yeah, and all you gotta do to change these bolt knobs, just loosen it off, thread it off. You just crank it down, and you're ready to rock. So the smooth one is when I don't wear gloves normally, but we'll try with this one now. And you have zero wind dialed in. Oh. Caps open. Let's see where we're at. We're pretty close already. And we're only at 5 power. So let's dial up to 20. And the parallax looks pretty good. Oh, not used to this optic anymore. The eye box is so tight you can't move at all off center, or else you're going to be getting crescenting, like half moon style. So here we go. First shot, we have 7.1 dialed, aiming for dead center. That was way off the right for some reason. I can see the bullet going. Just gonna aim at the snow here quick, get an idea of where we're hitting. Yeah, 2 mils. So you have to come 2 mils left. Right there. And we got those 2 shots. But we don't have them on paper. Let's see where we're at now. And we're low. I heard the gong, but I didn't see the impact. I don't know how we can be that much lower. We'll try that. Now we're 7.8. We're still low, about 0.3. There's 1 round left. We were about 0.2 to the left, so come right, 0.2. I'll try that for center. We're pretty close now. But maybe what I'll do is we'll get another few rounds down in this 5-round mag, and then we'll do our groups. So how many rounds do I have left? I have 15. So maybe we'll do 2 20-round groups then. I'll try to get us dialed in perfectly here first. But yeah, it's a perfect day to be shooting. No, like absolutely no wind. Like super calm for this area. Gotta love it. So we got 5 more loaded up. See if we can get a grouping on center here. Okay, I think we're pretty good now. So the dope actually is 8.1. That's insane. But for some reason we got 9 shots. And we're getting a lot of sun glare. Point that down a bit more. Hopefully we still get the shots. We'll try that. All right, so our first group with the break will be top left target for 15. Actually, yeah, let's do 15, and then we'll do 2 5s at the end to see. So 15 round groups here. Oh, there we have 15. That's looking very good. Maybe we'll do 1 quick 5 round group. Just because, why not? We'll get that over with. See what a 5 round group looks like. And then we'll do the same thing without the break. But it's actually looking really good. Like, really good. So, this might be a contender here. So I'm going to shoot just below that bottom left target. That one kind of flew high, but I think we're still rounding them away though. And same hole as one of the other ones. So yeah, that's pretty damn good. So now what I'll do is I'll take the break off and we'll shoot our 15 without a break and no thread protector either. And then we'll shoot another 5 at the end and then we'll go get our target. We'll have a look how we did. We'll see if there's reason to have this break on here or not. It just makes it louder for the shooter, but yeah, let's try it out. Now we're back with no break. Same lot of ammo, the same box. Now we're going to shoot the top right target for 15. And then we'll compare the 2 targets. Wow, way left. Whew. Point of impact shift is huge. I don't know if I hit the other target or if it went off the target right off, but I think it's about 2 mils now. So I'll go back down to my 0. I'll try that. We're not gonna have 15 rounds on this target though. And we had to go up a lot too, so maybe that different harmonics made a huge difference in this. Let's try this now. Yeah, we're way over. Go back down to 7-1. Try that. There we go. We'll just shoot the rest here. Got wind going a bit, I'm gonna hold off. Yeah, gotta wait a sec here. Here we go. Okay, well, we have 5 shots left. I guess we'll do another group. So we have to come up 0.3, 0.2, and come left, probably 3. And I'm gonna aim at, guess the top, same top target, but I'm gonna aim at the top corner, top left corner of that orange square for 3. Well, there we have it. Let's go check our target and see how we did.
Here we have our target back from 200 yards. So the first 15 shots with the break averaged 3.95 inches or 1.89 MOA. So that's pretty big, but actually it's not bad, because if we had a 4x4 plate here at 200 yards, every round would have hit it. And then we did our 5 rounds, and that one equaled 3.2 inches or 1.5 MOA. So that's another very respectable 5-shot group for 200 yards. And then we go over here without the break. We lost a few off the side of the target, but the 13 rounds that we did get measured up at 3.44, so a little bit better than with the break. And our 5-shot group was 3.45, so basically exactly the same, which gave us a total overall average without the break of 3.45 inches or 1.65 MOA. And with the break, our average was 3.2 or 1.53 MOA. So overall it did a little bit better with the brake than without, but without the brake it was a lot more consistent. So I don't know if there's anything to be had from this, but that's our results. And judging by this group here, which is basically all within, or 90% of them are within like 2 inches, that's really good. This one here too, we had a good cluster here, but a few flyers. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of, I think it's kind of a toss up, like either way, same kind of deal. So with the brake, you get a little bit more noise at the shooter, and without the brake, it's just, yeah, it's pretty good. So it didn't really change much except for the point of impact. Big, huge point of impact shift, like over 2 mils left and right kind of thing. So,
well, I can't believe the amount of impact shift we had just from this. It is a pretty heavy brake, but yeah, what a crazy shift there was. It is a pretty thin barrel, I guess, stock on this T1X. But yeah, there's our results. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you all next week. Bye for now.